Morning, Damon. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. So if you don't mind to tell us kind of how you came about. We've been a chiropractic patient for many years now, and then we decided to do the decompression. What made you kind of go that route?
Well, I was at the gym, felt a kink in my back, and that's really started hurting after a month or so of extreme pain. I was getting tingles down my leg. Didn't really want to go the route of an epidural shot. Decided to chat with you about that when I was here for a visit, and based on your recommendation, I said, let's give it a try.
Yeah, so we took the x-rays, we saw some compression in there, and so we decided to do the decompression, but also too with a laser, which is also, extremely helpful. How did you feel about 6 or so visits in? Did you start feeling relief immediately, or did you start feeling relief about halfway through?
I think I started feeling relief maybe probably into the second week. So I did 6 weeks with 3 visits a week. So I'd say around that second week, I could start noticing a difference. Before I came in, I had a few flights out of town and I could barely sit in the seat still the whole time. It was just causing a lot of pain down the left side of my glute and into my hamstring, and I noticed after that I was on a flight and I was able to just sit comfortably through the entire flight.
What were some of the workouts before we started the decompression that you were noticing like the most, or which ones did you take out?
Deadlifts, back squats. I was back squatting when the injury occurred.
And now that we've completed treatment, you're back to normal workouts and everything?
Yeah, I'm just taking it a little easier on the weight.
For sure. And we've been snowboarding and other fun things since we've been doing this?
Yeah. Tons of snowboarding. It wasn't the best season, but I still had fun.
Very good. So how have you felt since we've completed the decompression and laser treatment? Do you feel like your life has changed? Do you feel like your life has gotten better or worse? How's your sleep? How's the daily activities looking?
Yeah, I'd say everything feels probably like 98% back to before the injury. Every now and then I still feel a little tenderness in my back, but I'm definitely not getting the tingles down my leg. So I'm back in the gym. I'm able to sit for work for extended periods of time. That was something that even 10-15 minutes of sitting in a chair was just causing a lot of pain.
Are you feeling confident in all your activities, even at the gym, even though you're taking it a little bit easier than before? Like, is your confidence level up, or maybe halfway through, or in the beginning, you're kind of worried if it was going to set you back or go back to where it was before?
Yeah, I'd say my confidence level's up. I'm still keeping it top of mind that I have an injury that we're still working through. As you know, I've only done my first maintenance treatment since finishing the original treatment. So keeping that in mind and trying to make sure that I don't re-aggravate the injury.
And our maintenance treatment was about 4 weeks past the original one?
Yeah, I did the first one at 4 weeks, and I have another one set for 6 weeks from there.
Right, so we're adding in 2 weeks in between each one until, pretty much, we're going to subside on that. Have you had any chiropractic adjustments since?
Yeah, I had an adjustment when I was here for the first maintenance treatment.
Very good.
That helped as well.
Sounds good. So Damon, on your maintenance appointments, we're going to kind of do things just how we've always done it before. We're going to lay on your backside first. So we're going to strap in around your hips. That's going to create the pulling action for the specific disc that we've targeted based on your x-rays. And then we'll get another strap across the top. That's just going to hold you in place. You should still be able to breathe, no problem. We want a kind of strong but comfortable feel with the strap. If anything gets a little bit too tight, just let us know. If you do feel any pain, or if you feel any claustrophobia or anything like that, where you're like, get me out of this machine now, please hit the stop button. Staff will check on you about every 5 minutes. Most of the time people feel very comfortable enough where they even want to fall asleep while they're doing this. But if you do feel like you need to get out of this, just hit the stop button. Also too, these are just Velcro straps, so you can just undo the Velcro straps at any time.